Data is the meat, data is the soul, data is the spirit, data is the science. However, to drive that science, you need an art. Ladies and gentlemen, the fourth important prerequisite of writing a case is what we call data and statistics. So if you're writing a case on ICI, let's assume, all right, so you need to know about their financial standing. Or if you're writing a case on Abu Daud, the sole distributor of Procter & Gamble in Pakistan. So you're writing a case about Abu Daud, it's very imperative, and it's a sales case, all right? And so it's very important that you are aware of the KPIs. What are the KPIs what that company is employing? For example, the KPI, target versus achievement, is very important. Strike rate, drop size, SKU per bill, SKU per call. These are very imperative if you're writing a case on sales and channel. However, if you're writing a case on from the HR perspective, employee turnover, employee motivation, net promoter score, okay, from the financial perspective, gross margins, in fact from the brand perspective as well, gross margin. If you are making a case on telecom industry, the most important KPI, key performance indicator, is what we call ARPU, average revenue per user. All right, how many occasions in which people consume dairy milk. All right, so these are very important elements that needs to be considered before we actually start writing up the case. Support your content with facts and figures, and they can be available either from the public sources, or you can actually get that from the market survey as well. These are the two predominant sources. So if you go and if you check out the open sources or the public literature which is available for the intention of information, and also for the research, and for the academic and literary work, and for the corporate work as well, take the help from the data and support your argument, your theme with the data, the financial P&L, the KPIs, all right, the survey numbers, the numbers from the retail audit. You have done a survey of the consumer, of the shopper, of the retailer as well. Support your case with numbers, with facts, with statistics.